The history of a tutorial approach to teaching originated from the University of Oxford and the University of Cambridge in the 11th century. A tutorial can be defined as personalized and student-centered small group sessions that provide a safe space for deeper engagement with the subject area in order to develop important skills and abilities that are targeted by the course. Tutorials are coming under increased scrutiny because 1. Some academics shortchange their teaching to focus on their more recognized research for job security reasons, and 2. HEIs are being pressured to cut expenditure while simultaneously becoming more student-centric in teaching approaches to compete with other HEIs. In light of the problem statement, the purpose of this paper is to explore financially viable alternatives to the Oxford tutorial. I conducted a scoping review to explore ways of redesigning the Oxford tutorial model for management education. In collating the findings from 48 studios, 2 raters arrived at 8 financially viable alternatives to the traditional Oxford tutorial model. Peer instruction can be defined as the acquisition of knowledge and skill through active helping and supporting among status equals or matched companions. It involves people from similar social groups who are not professional teachers helping each other learn and learning themselves by doing so. Games or simulation games are based on a model of a natural or artificial system or process, and requires learners to achieve a challenging goal under specific constraints or uncertain conditions. However, pure simulations require learners to alter the values of input variables to observe the impact on output variables without a specific goal or constraints. OCL can be defined as a process of social negotiation or collaborative sense-making, mentoring, and joint knowledge construction that is facilitated via electronic tools. Syndicates refers to an approach in which an instructor divides a larger group of students into a series of smaller working groups. The flipped classroom is a blended learning approach which moves lecture content out of the classroom to online, freeing up class time for more active learning methods. Technology can be utilized to serve similar purposes of tutorials in 2 ways. First, student response systems like Clickers, Kahoot, and Poll Everywhere enable instructors to receive real-time anonymized data from students' responses to in-class questions. Second, automatic writing evaluation tools are web-based software applications that offer automated assessment of students' written work. Tailored learning refers to courses that tailor skills developed to each student via self-directed learning. Using this approach, the instructor provides resource guides and can utilize peer feedback while maintaining minimal involvement. A portfolio refers to a purposeful collection of student work that exhibits the student's efforts, progress, and achievements. The findings show that these tutorial alternatives are related to desirable student outcomes. In the paper, I further clarify guidelines and challenges in implementing each alternative.